Hey everybody, it's Adrienne again with Design the Planet, and I'm a 20-year marketing veteran, and I've been working with business owners to grow their businesses for over 25 years. Lots of experience in brand development, rebranding, and also on the marketing side and web development. So today I wanted to talk about logos and identities because they're super important to businesses. So I found a great quote from Smashing Magazine. A good logo is distinctive, appropriate, practical, graphical, and simple in form, and it conveys the owner's intended message. Let me show you some of what we look for when we are working on a new logo and identity. And I can't give you all the secrets, but if you're pondering logo development or you're in the heart of it, these are some simple things to look for to judge if your logo is successful. In the beginning, you'll find out that logos need to be successful in one color. In case you wanted some proof, these are some of the other logos that you probably will absolutely identify and know distinctively in one color. They don't need any red, any blue, any green. They work in one color. So one of our absolute requirements is that a logo has to be successful at about 1 inch wide. If a logo loses its readability at 1 inch wide, if something important starts to drop out, or the logo starts to lose its feeling at about 1 inch wide, the logo is not successful. I think the other question that we have to always ask ourselves is it memorable? If your logo isn't memorable in some way, then it's not a win and you need to keep working on it. It's not ready yet. Does it have meaning for the organization it represents? So I bring up one of our client logos, River Road Coffees. This is very meaningful to them. They are about service to clients, and this serves as an icon of a wing, and it also swirls into the top of looking like you're looking down on a coffee roaster. So for this client and for the visitor, it has an iconic feel to it. It feels a little bit more classic, but it carries on a lot of meaning for the client. And has it been simplified to the maximum? So we created the Lucy's logo several years ago, but the main icon had to be simplified down. What is the basic elements? If I can take away anything else, you keep taking things away until there's nothing else you can take away and this logo still has its meaning. So when we were working on this logo, all the shape that goes around the planet, Design the Planet, we found that by the time we got to this, if we removed one of these pieces, the swirl, it started to take away from the movement of the logo. So that's what I mean by if you have to get it down to its pure essence and keep removing things until you can't remove anything anymore. And then you're probably close to your final product. Anyway, these are some of the everyday things that we think about for our clients and their logos. And this is a lot of what makes a good or successful logo in business. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.
Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps you market your business more successfully. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of our next great video. Thanks for watching.